Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Install Roblox Studio and sign in, then update your GPU drivers so rendering behaves predictably. Once done, open Studio and go straight to File, right arrow settings, right arrow rendering, and switch from automatic to manual so you control quality. Next, set your power profile to high performance on your PC and close background apps that use the GPU. Doing this makes sure the next steps actually produce a visible HD improvement. Now you dive into the detailed execution. In settings, right arrow rendering, increase rendering quality toward 20 or higher to push texture detail. Be mindful of performance. Enable HDR and SSAO in the lighting and rendering sections, and turn on desirable post effects like bloom and color correction for cinematic depth. Also reduce texture compression and adjust quality level and shadow softness to crisp values. These choices change how light and materials calculate. Finish by testing and locking in your settings. Run Play Solo and inspect scene fidelity and FPS, then open Micro Profiler to find heavy cost items. If you see stutters, reduce one or two of the most expensive effects, for example SSAO or bloom, and retest. Make sure to save the settings as defaults for the place and restart Studio to clear caches. If things still look wrong, update drivers, clear Studio cache, or reset rendering settings and repeat the lighter tuning process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.